All right, hello everyone. Today, another trade recap and a daily review overall. What happened today, everything we saw, and forecast for tomorrow, basically. So let's start off the weekly. We saw yesterday we entered the volume imbalance right here, barely tapped it. This could possibly be in a institutional order flow entry drill for the weekly. I'm not gonna get more a lot into that. I'm gonna say what I have to say about next week on Sunday. Let's go to the daily. So today, like I said, we had this institutional order flow entry drill, right? This candle swept the previous daily low and it went inside the weekly volume imbalance plus this order block and went up quickly. Um, Today, like I said yesterday, was very bullish, very bullish. Even though we had this order block, I expect to um disrespect it and go take this buy side, then this buy side, and this buy side. Basically, I'm bullish overall. Um, all right, let's see what I had marked out. So my DOL, my drawn liquidity for now is this. What is this? Take this out. This is my drawn liquidity. Um, yeah. So this is the imbalance, the volume imbalance. Um, yeah, nothing much. No, this is the thing. What is this? Oh, we'll see. So let's go down to the 1 hour right here. So what happened on the 1 hour? As we can see right here. This is still the market making model. I'm waiting to fulfill or what's it call it? Um, yeah, looking to get up there. Oh, I know what this is now. All right, so today, if we go to the 15 minute, right? Today wasn't a high probability day, so I definitely de-risked because we had Asia make the low of the day, while London just went straight up. It was really volatile. So what we could expect it from when London did this was a reversal for New York, right? So that's what happened. We went into this 4 hour order block while also filling up this Ferrari gap, this 4 hour Ferrari gap from yesterday. Uh, when I saw this, I tried. I think it was when news came out. By the way, the news were mid. This is what happened on news, 8:30. Nothing. Um, my bad. I tried when I saw this. I knew we would go and take on the news. We would go and take the order block as a manipulation because we had this inside candle. You can see this is a perfect example of the BO3, right? Inside candle, this is consolidation, manipulation, distribution, and I saw this as consolidation. I saw it manipulating up. We didn't take it. We didn't go into the order block. That's fine. I expected the next candle to do an institutional order for entry drill, as we did, right? We took this previous candle high and dropped. The drop was really fast. It wasn't really anything I could have caught. I could have maybe on the 1 minute. Yeah, there wasn't anything on the 1 minute. I don't think, no. Uh, yeah. For some, you could have probably caught this for value gap, this volume imbalance, this order block, yada yada. For me, this wasn't really good since there was no market structure shift given here and here. I wasn't really looking at the market, so it just dropped. It dropped and it went down and down and down. Took all these flat lows, but even lower. Took the London low before retracing, and I tried getting in on the retracements, but could have expected to be really choppy because we had a huge move. 9:30 did most of the. Wait, no. My apologies. 9:30 did most of this move. No, we had 9:30 just to give us the start of this huge. Sorry again. Yeah, so we. Wait, no, I'm stupid. My bad. Yeah, this happened at 9:30. Was with the drop. Wait, so I looked at the wrong. No, I didn't look at the wrong. Okay. Most of it happened at 9:30. We just dropped, dropped, dropped. Took the London low. Retrace. Tried to get the in on the retracement since there was an institutional order for anti-drill, and since this was an institutional order for anti-drill, right? We expect the next candle to be in open high low close, and I tried getting in on the Judah swing of the hourly, uh, of this 10, yeah, this 10 a.m. But it didn't really go anywhere. It went into the order block. Could have entered there here, but this wasn't really what I'm looking for. It's not my entry, so nope, not doing that. GCG didn't even move that much, went down. Then we just consolidated for the rest of New York, and this is my trade, by the way. 2.3 R. I think this is uh, for me. It's perfect. It's enough to make up for the last time's loss and give me even more. Uh, Even though I de-risked on both days. I think. Not sure. Doesn't matter. Uh, it shouldn't even matter, right? You should never think about the trades you did before, you took before. You think about the now. I think they call it that the now zone. Doesn't like to think of right now. Yeah, whatever. It's just you shouldn't be thinking about what loss you took or when you took before. You should think about what's happening now. Anyways, I was looking at this 1 hour for value gap from the very start because we did this 1 hour market structure shift. Like I said, we need a 1 hour market structure shift to do a midweek reversal, and we are doing a midweek reversal. So yeah, see, we're going up. So have this weekly midnight, so you can see went up, down. This was manipulation. We're gonna probably distribute above this busted liquidity on Friday. Probably. Anyways, I was looking at this. Why not all these other fair value gaps here? This one, this one, this. This is a level rebalance, by the way. Level rebalance because this wick took the whole body of this candle. This is and we left this wick, left a gap here, so we don't count this wick. So from this candle's close to this candle's low, this is a level rebalance. Well, that's just because that price didn't do anything, right? So price just ran straight through them, and it tapped into this fair value gap. So I was looking for what price was gonna do on this next candle, and since this wasn't an institution order for anti-drill, I expected it was from the outside though, right? I expected the next candle to probably be the institution order for anti-drill. Just go take this and go higher. But we didn't do that. Just watched price, like as you can see, was just consolidating. But we did respect the consequence. We did go to the consequent encroachment and respect it. Plus, if I'm not wrong, yeah, we do have this 40. It doesn't matter, anyways. Yeah, so it goes like this, right? And I could, yeah, so I didn't like really look into that. What I noticed is this other candle could actually go upside to the upside now because we are in the fair value gap fully. So I could probably see this time and sweep, an actual sweep of this previous candle low and it go higher, which it did. Kinda, right? We didn't sweep this previous candle low, but we had an SMT. And this, on S&P, it swept it and went up, filling this fair value gap. Same here, fill this fair value gap to the brim, to the very top. Um, yeah. Uh, so what I looked at after this, I could have, of course, entered after seeing this displacement to the upside. Could have entered on this candle, open high, low, close theory. Uh, we basically did a SMT and a Taro soup, SMT of the previous candle. Well, that's end of this buy side pool. What am I saying? Liquidity pool. Anyways, we could have entered on this candle, uh, but I didn't want to. I was waiting for a retracement to this fair value gap to do so. Yeah, I was waiting for a fair value gap to be made because we have this rejection block, order block. So I was waiting for the fair value gap, not hoping. I was waiting for it to retrace into the. It didn't. And I marked out this as a market structure shift, which it was on the 5 minute, I believe. Yeah, it kind of. On the 1 minute it is. So I just marked it out on the 1 minute. And we also had this trend line liquidity right here. You can see this is kind of a perfect trend line as well. Boom, boom, boom. And what we do with these trend lines is we liquidate them, right? We take the liquidity from them. So I set a goal of this as my TP, if we had entered on this fair value gap. We didn't. Just watch price go and take the first high here and we retraced. Where did we retrace to? The 5 minute fair value gap. And at first, again, we saw this and I was thinking we could go enter and I would just enter off of that. But we stopped right out of. Most people would just be like, oh, it edged. What now? Not gonna enter. Oh, I did enter. And it was even a better entry, right? This was an institutional order for anti-drill again. So, as I could have waited for price to come into here, for this candle to close, and enter off of this candle, put my stop here, target this, I just went on the 1 minute and waited for it here because I knew 100% it was gonna go up. So we also institutional order for anti-drill on the 1 minute with this candle. So I entered on the open of the next candle. Open high low close theory. We expect the next candle to be bullish. Again, bullish until when? This fair value gap, we expected a retracement into this fair value gap and we continued, right? Same here. Open high low close, we expected this candle to be bullish, and just this was bullish, and it just went straight up. We expected this next candle to be bullish again. We have this trend line, so we expect the candles to be bullish. And here, when we entered this trend line, when we finished this trend line, we went into this fair value gap, possibly this order block. I was looking out at this fair value gap actually for retracement, which we did kind of like chop, I think. Here, yeah, see, kind of chopped, then it just displaced, and we entered the further order block. Here at the order block, it kind of got ugly. This is, I don't know, this is like a weird consolidation, time distortion. We have many weeks, many wicks, time distortion probably, just nothing. Retraced into this order block, and it went up again, bounced off of it like that. And this whole time I was, first of all, yeah, we also had here, we can see this candle was an order for institutional order for entry drill from this 5 minute in volume imbalance. So there was a retracement uh, from the fair value gap here, went up, retraced again, retraced into that order block, continued. Here started consolidating, and I was thinking about closing the trade because we were going close to lunch session, and I don't want to trade the lunch session because it's not, you shouldn't trade the lunch session. It's not good. So I was looking into closing it because we were just consolidating and lunch session was on the way. But I was like, okay, I'm just I just moved my stop loss to here because this is a swing low, right? After an institutional order flow entry drill, we saw this candle take this high. The highs the high stay intact basically, and the low stay intact. This low wasn't taken and this high was, so we expect the next candle to be bullish. And we also had this swing low, so I just put my stop loss here, being in profit of course. So I was just shaving off risk, just looking to get out of the trade. By the way, after this I set my stop loss to break even, and after break even you should look to get out of the trade. Well, at least that's what I'm looking for, and I didn't need to, right? We had all this structure, so didn't need to get out. But here I was actually looking to get out because it was looking not good. But after this, I just put it here and just like, okay, if it stops me out, I have profit. If it doesn't, it's gonna go to my TP. And I was looking to get above this candle again for the hard stay intact of this candle and move my stop here, just hoping to get out because launch session was on the way. And so that's what I did. I put it, no, I waited, and I just saw, you can just see here, right? It was just this, and all of a sudden, up, high intact, up, displaced more, so I just kept it, and it just went straight to my TP, which was this. I believe this is the 15-minute fair value gap. Yes, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. I was thinking about holding it to till the end of this, to the closure of this gap, fair value gap. But actually, I could have, you know, why not? I could have just kept it to the closure of this fair value gap. It wouldn't really do any change, to be honest. It would just be like a bit more money. I don't need that, right? I need the win. That's all I need. So that's what I did. I just kept it. It went up, closed me out of the trade, and actually, I'm gonna delete this and you just see it. And now we're in large session, retracing. Probably gonna retrace, consolidate, and I'm looking for the candle to still go up a little bit. I'm looking for it to go up to, you can see this is a kind of like, if you look at it at this here, it's kind of like, I don't know what I was trying to say. Uh, yeah, it's just retracement. I don't know what I was trying to. It's retracement. It's a hard time from retracement with an institutional order flow entry drill. Institutional order flow entry drill. We expect the next candle again to be bullish. Of course, this could be a down candle, since it looks like we institutional order flow entry drill to the downside from the order block. This could just make the fair value gap, and I expect the next candle to go into the fair value gap, go up. I'm looking for tomorrow to take at least this high and possibly this high to end the week. It will be perfect for the end of the week to just finish this market maker buy model. You know, it would be nice to just end it here, taking this, drawing liquidity, and just stepping out of the market for the next week. I'm not gonna look into it. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna step out for the next week. Just no, like everything went according to how I wanted it, right? Doesn't matter. Basically, yeah. Still, what I'm looking for is up. I'm favoring the upside still. Um, yeah. You can also see. Wow. You can also see this is an institutional order punch drill on the 4 hour and from the fair value gap. This is my mistake. Yeah, you should notice this. But this is also like this price is bad. We went off of this order block to this fair value gap in a single candle, retracing up and down. This is bad price action. This shouldn't be traded, but I mean, for me, it was clear where we're going, so I traded it. The whole time I managed risk, when we took out this high, my stop loss went here. When we took out this high, break even, uh, and so on and so forth. Always moving to profit my stop loss, always trying not to lose either way, getting money or not, try not to lose, but in a logical way, right? I wouldn't just see an up candle and move my stop loss below this. I'm still trying to go to my TP, I'm not trying to get out with any profit. I'm just moving my stop loss in a logical way where price has space to go to my TP and still has space to retrace. I wouldn't move my stop loss here if I didn't, yeah, I wouldn't move my stop loss here if I knew but I was going to retrace, which I did know but I was going to retrace. I thought it could still retrace to the fair value gap, right? Because it's still an imbalance that's left. Even though we did take this, we could still, it was off of, oh yeah, we could still just move down, take this, balance it, move up. That's why I did not put my stop loss there. I kept it at break even, which was here. Which was also, I think, yeah, here it was also OTE. So I kept it below OT because it always could retrace to OT. Never mind that. After I saw how we uh wouldn't retrace anymore, after I saw, I think this closed bullish as an institutional order for entry drill, I put my stop here. Finally in profit. After seeing this down candle and this, I was like, okay, I may get stopped out here in profit. This candle just printed the institutional order for entry drill on the 1 minute. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let's see when the next candle goes. Based on that, we'll see what I do. This candle took this high and stayed intact, so I moved my stop loss here or here, one of these two. I think here because I don't know. I thought price could still retrace a bit lower. So move my stop here, more profit, right? If I get stopped out. After that, like I said. Oh wait, no, no. My bad. I moved it here after I saw this weekend formation. Yeah, I moved it here. The stop loss. But it's just how I think, right? I'm just explaining how I think, doing a trade, how I thought during the trade, how like I managed my risk, and how everyone should manage the risk in my opinion, in a trade. You shouldn't really move your TP or something. You shouldn't really say, okay, we're gonna go higher. If you have a TP, just stick to it. Yeah, okay, my TP could have gone higher. I could have gone like a few more bucks, whatever. I got my money, right? Oh yeah, by the way, here is proof. I took this on funded. You can see the profit here as well. Uh, this is what I lost yesterday. On the last trade, this is what I made today. So I'm in profit overall. Um, that's good. Um, yeah, again, manage risk. Um, just close this. That's my funded, by the way. Yeah, whatever. I'm still on phase one, trying to pass this challenge. It's been very stressful. It's been going up and down. I could probably show this. I don't wanna. Just give me a second. Um, I could probably log in, show you how it's been going up and down. Ah, I'm logged in. Perfect. I'm not gonna show everything. Just till here. There we go. You can see it's been going up, down, up, down, down and up. It's moving. I've already been to the 50% once. Lost. Lost again. Now close to moving to the 50% again. After I pass my first phase, there comes my second with I need only half of what I need now, which is good. It'll be fast. Yeah, but I'm not really like thinking about that. I'm just thinking about the trades, what you should be doing. This video is getting long again. For tomorrow, I'm looking to be bullish. I still need to see how this candle closes, but I'm still either way. I'm looking to be bullish. Looking to be bullish to this, at least this rejection block. This rejection block. I'm still looking to be bullish until we reach here at least, or at least this buy. Yeah, this buy side. I mean, this is really small wicks, right? I wouldn't consider this a rejection block. This is more like just a high. So I'm expecting just like the buy side. Whatever. Um, you could have also noticed this is a um breaker block. We got low, high, lower low, high high, or a block breaker block. We entered it. So this is a unicorn model, basically on the 4 hour. You can see right here, unicorn model, perfect. Same here. Yeah, this breaker, we didn't reach the 1 hour breaker though. That's fine. 15 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute we also had this, didn't reach it. 5 minute, this is the breaker on the 5 minute. We could be reaching the breaker right now, right? We could be just go take the breaker. We also have this for value gap. So we possibly could be retracing already at the 50%. We could actually go down, right? Like, if you take it from this, could be going still down here. And if you're gonna, yeah, this is the 15-minute range, right? Yeah, this is the 15-minute range. You could be retracing down the 50%. We have this 15-minute fair value gap and this 5-minute breaker block. You could look into that. I'm not gonna trade today. Already traded. I'm good. High of the day. Well, low of the day was made. You can see A12. London. New York time. High of the day. This is probably the high of the day. 9. Yeah, we're retracing. Just enter the breaker block, and I think we also. Oh, we didn't enter the fair value gap. We didn't enter. No, we didn't. Yeah, could just retrace over this. Why not? Anyways, bullish. Looking to be bullish. Also on the thing on here I have marked out. Yeah, we entered this fair value gap on the DXY, on the a weekly fair value gap. This is a nice retracement on this high to this low. We're past the 50%, so we could see possibly a downside to the DXY, right? Oh, wait. Oh, they also filled a monthly fair value gap. Nice. So we could definitely see some downside. We're in consolidation though, so you know, high to low of the consolidation. What's happening here? Long uh territory, short territory, long territory. Now we enter this short territory, and we're looking to take these equal lows, relative equal lows, and fill the rest of this gap we have here. Possibly go lower into this gap on the weekly. Same stuff. These lows go down. Yeah, that's the DXY. That's why I would also like to be pretty bullish on the Nasdaq, because DXY is looking to go down. Plus, I don't think I showed you all this, but oopsie. Um, this is also a reason of why I was weekly bullish, because my technicals were showing weekly bullish on the Nasdaq, and also we are building. The smart money is building long orders, right? But it's going up. Uh, the weekly, it's weekly. You know, it's building long orders. They're trying to go long, while the big money, I don't know what to call it, the retail are trying to go short. This is a good indication we're bullish, which we are probably. We did eventually turn into a bullish candle like we wanted. Still, I'm looking to go even more bullish. Now, look, maybe we don't take this strong liquidity, but at least let it go more bullish for Friday to take the drawn liquidity, possibly this high. If we stay intact, you know, if we go higher and this candle ends up somewhere right here, I would expect the next weekly to also go up. like I said, to the end of the month. When is the end of the month? In 2 weeks, 2 more weeks. Take this. Drawn liquidity could happen. It could happen. It possibly will also happen, right? We have retraced multiple times. We could just see final push to there. Anyways, yeah. Wow, I'm going too much in the future. Wow, this is a mess. I want to just do a daily review. So yeah, this is a daily review. This is intraday. How it looked like. You can see it's truly an open high, uh, open low, high, close. We still have space to retrace. Here you can see. Although we didn't go below midnight, that's also a reason why we weren't really high probability. But yeah, you can see open, low. The low was really like low, low, like low, really low, whatever. Low, high, open, low, high. We're gonna close probably around here. This inverse fair value gap and this order block could pose resistance and could also start a consolidation for the next day Asia session. We still have PM session, so I don't know. We'll see. We could just go take this high and consolidate at the order block more here. We'll see. Yeah, so this is it for today. This is how the chart looks like daily. This is the range we were working with today. Pretty nice. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Probably I won't be trading. Well, I'll see based on how price looks like. But tomorrow, it's Friday. I don't like Fridays, and on Fridays usually I'm busy. So we'll see. So bye.